Hello, and on behalf of the AccuTech crew, thank you for looking at our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss the ability to automatically email a sales order confirmation and an order acknowledgement at the completion of each order. First, let's briefly discuss the difference between a confirmation and an acknowledgement. An order confirmation is a form that is very similar to an invoice or a delivery ticket. The confirmation will show what was ordered, what was back ordered, and what was capable of being shipped at the moment the order was entered. More importantly, the confirmation will extend the unit price based upon the quantity shipped and not the quantity ordered. On the other hand, a sales order acknowledgement will extend the unit price based on the quantity ordered and not quantity shipped. Typically, the total quantity ordered and not back ordered and not shipped is the quantity that will print on a sales order acknowledgement. We will give some examples of the differences between the two forms at the end of this video. In order to have the system automatically request if an acknowledgement and/or confirmation is to be emailed after the order is complete, you must first tell the system which users have the ability to select a form to email and/or print at the end of each order. We did a video on this feature a few years ago, but let's briefly revisit the user setting. First, your system administrator will need to go to the user profile using the hotkeys. Once the user profile is accessed, choose the user, then click on the Print General tab at the top, and then answer yes to the form selection question. And I will click Done and exit this function. For the sake of time, I'm going to pull up another screen as I already have an order with some items entered. Let's pull that screen up. We'll go to our Items tab. And notice that I have one item that contains back orders. When I click the Total button, the form selection window appears. With this order, I may choose to print a picking slip for my warehouse, along with both an acknowledgement and a confirmation. Typically, most users would choose either the acknowledgement or the confirmation, but since this order contains back orders, we want to show you how the two forms will differ. Note that there is a Save My Answers option contained on the screen. If you typically print both a picking slip, for example, and email a confirmation after each order, then the Save My Answers option can help save time. I'll click Continue and the system will be asking me if I want to print variable comments if they exist. And also note that if items have been fabricated and contain components, the system will give options to include or exclude these on the form as well. The system is asking me where to print my picking slip. Notice your MIS print window is displaying that these output options are associated with a picking slip. The system will suggest a default picking slip printer based upon my user profile. And I'll go ahead and print the picking slip in my warehouse. Next, I'm going to email the sales order acknowledgement. If you are saving your email output, the system is going to suggest a file name. The file name suggested will be the order number followed by a suffix indicating the type of document. In this case, -SOA for sales order acknowledgement. Depending upon how you have set up your MIS email address book, the system can recommend the email associated with the orders, but I'm going to go ahead and click a lookup and we will send this to an email here. I will click Send Email. And now the system is asking about the order confirmation as well. Again, we'll click the email here. So at this point, the email has been sent. Before looking at the email, you have the option to reprint or email the forms using a couple of methods. The first method is to choose the reprint option contained on the order entry screen. And we will click that. And you will see what type of form you would like to email or print. And then the system will ask what document and so forth. Next, we'll use our hotkeys and pull up our order entry document review, and we'll pull up the details of a specific order. And if we click the printer icon, the same reprint or email options appear here as well. Okay, so now let's check our email. I'll pull up my Outlook, and you'll notice the system automatically added the type of document along with the order number on the email. Let's first click on the order confirmation. And the first thing that I want to point out is the items that were back ordered are not extended and are not part of the order total. We'll scroll down to the order total, and it is $174.51. Let me exit here and we'll take a look at the sales order acknowledgement. Again, this is the same order, but one was the confirmation. Now we're looking at the acknowledgement. The acknowledgement has extended the price of the items that were on back order. So the total now is $228.11. Some of your customers may want you to acknowledge what they ordered and what the total price will be, whether or not you have everything in stock at the moment. Note that this feature is free to all customers on Platinum, Gold, and Silver level support, but there could be some minor charges if training is needed or if changes need to be made to any of your forms. Also, there have been recent improvements to this function, so you will likely need an update to your MIS software. If you have any questions, please call our support center at 800-624-6827. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a great day.